Halloween is right around the corner, and I know that some of you are planning to host Halloween parties.
So today we're gonna be showing you what you will need to have the best bloody bar at your party.
We better get invited. So what is a bloody bar? A bloody bar is a spooky self-serve station where your guests can mix their own Micheladas, Bloody Marys, Bloody Marias, and then garnish them with whatever they want.
So the most important ingredient that you will need for your bloody bar is your bloody mix. And our friends at Twang sent us this Michelada mix, and we're obsessed.
This Michelada mix is made with ancho chilies and real lime juice, and it tastes perfect with Bloody Marys and Bloody Marias. Not just Micheladas, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's freaking amazing. So it wouldn't be a bloody bar without vodka and tequila. So we decided to get some cute bottles to give your bar a little bit more of a spooky vibe. And we put our vodka and tequila in them and we labeled it. Cause you know, you gotta know what you're pouring in your drink. Is it a Maria? Is it a Mary?
Who knows?
Who knows? Now you know.
But yeah, these look like little potion bottles, you know? They're so cute, I love them. So for your micheladas, you're gonna be needing a Mexican lager, and we decided to go with Dos Equis.
Creepy garnishes are major key for this bloody bar. So we got crafty and we made our own eyeball garnishes with radishes and olives. Look how spooky they look.
Ew.
Creepy eyeballs, major key.
The little carrot garnish tip, do not peel them, okay? They look like fingers, you guys. If you don't peel them, they look like creepy fingers.
Okay, mine.
Push your hair. Rude.
We literally will order cocktails based on the kind of salt that comes on the rim. So adding salt to this bloody bar was so necessary. So we have basically every Twang flavor on our bloody bar.
So we have Sunrise Spice, which is a chili lime salt. Paloma Love, which is a grapefruit flavored salt.
We have Unwind Lime, which is a lime flavored salt. And we have Nectar Berry, which is a strawberry lime rimming salt.
So our go-to Twang salt is definitely the Sunrise Spice. It is so good, you guys. You have to try it on all your drinks, okay?
The rest of these though are so cool. They're so unique. Where can you get grapefruit salt? I don't know. This isn't grapefruit. This is strawberry lime.
This is grapefruit. I got the grapefruit. But the strawberry lime is so good. Oh my god. It's like the perfect mixture of like sweet and salty.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like Salt Bay up in this. You get a salt. You get a salt.
We definitely put in work getting this bloody bar together for you guys.
We went everywhere. We went to Home Goods, Total Wines, the dollar store. We got some stuff on Amazon,
Publix
a million times. But you definitely need to have some spooky items in your bloody bar so that it is actually spooky. We have a skeleton carrying our salts. We have a book that says spells.
Curses.
You know? Curses.
I think it says both.
We bought some cool cups at Home Goods that are the face of a skeleton, and they're holding all of our garnishes. Scary, spooky.
And then we have all kinds of sauces to spice up your cocktails. Whatever we can find for you all online, we're going to put a link below. But definitely you want to check out your nearest Dollar Tree because I got a lot of stuff from there, guys. Dollar Tree, save some coins. They have a lot of cool stuff. Check it out.
So we have our micheladas ready with our Sunrise Spice rim, and we're gonna garnish them.
I definitely want some bacon.
I want it all. Wow, wow, wow. Cheers! I want to taste it, okay? I want to taste it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Like, how do we even cheers with these things?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That is so good.
I want bacon. And the salt. I'm gonna finish the salt before I finish the drink.
The eyeballs on my forehead.
What does it taste like dipped in there?
Probably fire.
Yep.
Major key.
Major key.